How to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add multiple Snapchat accounts to your phone. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you have your Snapchat open, you can find your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it and you'll get to your profile. Now all you have to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right to go to your settings. Once you get to the settings menu, you can just scroll down all the way until you find the logout button. So just tap on it. And once you tap on logout, if you already have multiple accounts, it's going to show up here. But if you want to add a new one, what you can do is click on switch account. Or if you're new, you can also create a new account by tapping on sign up. I'll just tap on the switch account button here. Now enter your username or email here, and then you should be able to enter your password. Once you do that, your multiple accounts will be shown right here side by side. Now you can just go ahead and tap on any one of them to log in, and that's how you basically do it. That's how you can have multiple accounts on multiple Snap on one phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.